Right, we just come back. It's a miniature model pool, and we got back onto the TAMIYA Jeep, as you can see. Whoops, a bit of glare there. TAMIYA Jeep. So we started, and this bit was already made up, so that's okay. And I've actually added some PE parts, and I've got to switch the camera on, and because I got used to doing it that way, I suppose. But anyway, I think you can see what I've done so far. I'll get the shine off it. Them marks on there are part of it. It's just part of the PH, but it actually, the PH is defined still. So that's the 2 foot plates that are at the front. That's done. I've also done what it said in the actual. It wasn't going to, but I've actually done this. And you have to put where is it? If I can find it, oh, I'll come back. Excuse me, bit of a noise there. I've actually done. Where is it? There it is. This bit here, and I've actually put this bit and a bit the other side, and cut those 2 pegs off. It shows you're doing. So I've done that, and so that's what I've done so far, and it's gone on there so good. Now I did scratch, and you can see a little bit of scratching on there. It's shiny. I scratched it so that basically it would, and on top of the plastic part, so it would actually glue on really well. So that's okay. Doesn't look very nice until it gets sprayed. Personally, I think the only bit I needed to put on was this, but I've done it anyway. It gives it a bit of depth, so that's okay. And so what we're getting ready to do next is, of course I've got the decals over, the instruction over here. I'm looking at this and then cross references to the PE. Now I've done that bit. Now do I do anything else with the engine? And I might do some of these plugs and bits and pieces. So I'm going to do that, clean the bits off. Clean them up. I've got them on there, haven't I? Did I put that bit on the other side? It's got to look there because I ain't been back on here. Oh, it's that way, because that's the way we're meant to be looking at it. No, we haven't got that bit on there yet, so that'll be most probably bit need to put a plastic part on onto that. So that's that bit we're going to deal with. And also I went back and revisited the back end, and I've actually cut these bits off, you saw me do, and I've left that bit there though. I couldn't see the point in taking it off. It looks quite nice anyway. So, but what I've done is that. So that's okay, we're getting there, and I'm working my way around now, so I'm going to be cleaning bits up. And what I'll do now is, as I take the photo etch bits off, after I'm get them bent to shape, and I might show you that I'm doing a couple of bends, that's okay, and then come back and show me actually fitting it onto the part. I think that'd be a good idea. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So that's the first segment of this update. So oh yeah, I've got my bench slightly different. I've made it all blue by turning the bits around because the model isn't a very big one. I might get another couple of bits of blue so I can actually have one more bit of blue so I can add it nearly all the length for this bench. Then that'd be good. So anyway, so that's it. We've done that, so I'm going to come back for the next one. So see you in the next segment. Here we go. It'll be seconds for you, but it could be tomorrow for me. Right, I'm back, and as you can see, I've got some parts there. Now I think I showed all these bits and on the previous segment. So, but this bit is being cut off and cleaned up. This is the bit that goes on top of the engine and the radiator as well. So that's got to be done, painted separately. And I've already showed you that as well. There you go. And the other side, there you go. So it's looks quite good. That's okay. I've reinforced it with a bit of a super glue as well, so that'd be sprayed black, and then the actual tails bit has to be silver evidently. We'll soon find out. I'll do a bit of that anyway. So no, not meant to be silver. No, that's meant to be the olive drab still. No, it says it's here. It says it's X18, so it's semi-gloss black, so I can paint it all semi-gloss black and sort it out with the olive drab as well. Right, here we go. Then what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to show you instruction. Is I'm going to go onto these and start cutting them off the sprues, the seats, so that's okay. Here we go then. So here's a sprue, there it is, and we've got to go. If I bring that in like this, you can still see what I'm doing. So it's A13. Where is it? It's A13 and 12. They are different, so you can't, I don't think you can make any difference from there. Here we go. So we do one at a time anyway. So if we do that one time, So we want A13 for a start. So it's this one here. You can see me going on that. Yep. And there. There we go. That's that bit. Whoops. This is fun. I'm gonna have to move my stuff that I've got at the back here further back, so I've got more room on the bench. Put the photo etch up there. Move the glue out of shot and stuff. I don't think you need it in there, but I had it so you can see when I went for glue. So this is it. So I'm gonna move that over to there, that to there, that to there, and that to there. And that's the bit we're working on. And if I bring this in flat now, it's not going to slip, is it? There you go. And you can see it now anyway. So that's what we're going to do. So we've done that one as 13. Now we've got to get A25, which is this one here. I'm going to cut these long ones. There's a lot of there is a bit of flash on the moulds, but then again the kit is really quite not too old, but old enough. There you go, that's another one. So that's that bit done. So put it there. We clean that one up anyway. Then we go get the, oh, it's a under seat 26, which I think I saw you over there. There it is. That's it. That be that bit. So that's it. So we might as well build that up first. Or I can go to this one, put that there because that's all for that one chair. I'll go to this one now. This is 24. And it's number 12, I believe. Yes, number 12. So you can't confuse them now if I've got them in their little packs, as it were. That's that one. And then we've got the other seat. Here it is. Again. Oh, there's not so much flash on this. Still got to sand it though. There you go. That one. So we've got another seat done. So if I move this a little bit up out of the way, that up the way, so we can have that wall up there. That seat can go there. That seat can go there. And then we can go for the back one, which you can't confuse, which is this one here, which is here. 28. Yeah, 28. Well, you can see what it is anyway. 28. There you go. That one, and then we've got to get at the bottom seat, which is 29, and just going to check it. 29, obviously. Oops. This way. That way. Turn it around. I can just keep my hand mid-pliers the same. Cutters, I should say. There you go. So we've got the 3 seats done, cut away, and I haven't built this bit up, but I've built all this one up. So basically this is the bits I've done. I've done that. I've got to get these bits ready as well. These bits ready. The fire extinguisher is already cut off because I think I've shown it before. It's in a little bit there. And these bits are not going to go on because I'm thinking about putting the hood on. This hood. If it works, I'll build it up first, and if it works, it's okay. It's got all those bits and pieces on it. It looks pretty good, I should think. Or I can have it, I might have it flat, all down and folded. Who knows? We'll see. Let's put that back in there. Anyway, so that's that bit. Oh, I'm going to get this bit off as well. I'm going to get this off because I've got to do some work on that because that's got a bit of PE that needs to go on it. And that's that bit. So I'm going to take that up over there, put it there. Let's have a look, see what we need to get cut off anyway. So I'll put them 3 chairs over there out the way. You can see them. I'll put them in so you can see them still, but they are in separate piles now. Right, so come over to the next bit, which is here. Right, yeah. So we need that bit there. This is A34, which is there. A35, I should say. There it is. And that's it there. put that with that one, which you can't see, so I'm going to bring that down because that goes with that. And this part here is A14, and there it is there. So we've got A14. Yep, I'll do it this way because I can see where the plastic bit is. In fact, I can't get to it very good, so I'm going to do this and this and this, and then get rid of that. I sometimes do this so it allows me to get to the angle I want to get to. There we go. And the other end. And that really goes in with the same part, so I'm going to put that there. Put that in the box out of the way. And that bit drops in after that, so yep, I think I can take some bits off later on, but right, we'll work on what we got now. So that bit's done. So right, there we go then. I'm going to switch off now and do a bit of cleaning up, and then we'll do the gluing afterwards, so it'll be easier that way. See you in the next segment. Well, I'm back and I've cleaned some bits up here, and I've actually cleaned up and used a bit of extra thin to actually smooth the sanding I did. So the first one I'm going to do is this chair. So we're going to put a bit of a clamp on here, just like this, and then I'm going to get this and a bit of extra thin. I'm going to bring it over into view, but I've got to make sure I don't knock it over. Right, so what we're going to do is put some on the actual base of this chair. There you go, more than enough, but it doesn't matter about that. And then we're going to pop this in. And that's in there lovely now. So that's okay, we've got one chair done. Next chair I'm going to do is this one. I've cleaned up parts, like I said, so because I said I was going to do that. So we're going to get this bit, then we're going to put a bit of right across here. That's it. And then come back in with this. And that goes in like so, and that's done. So that's another one. Don't need to do two. That's it. So that's two done. Now there's this one. We're going to put this in as well. Might get another clamp to do. There you go. I've cleaned that. You normally had spray on that. This one's got a bit of spray on it, but that's okay. Right, and then we're going to put this one on. That's it, that's the way. It's funny, I didn't know it, but we've got the number on the bottom of the chairs, which is quite handy for when I was doing this. So we're going to do a bit same as what we did last time, just drop a bit of glue on here, all over there. It does evaporate quite quickly, so not an issue really. There you go, and that's on there. Gone in nicely. Looks shiny, but I'm not worried about that because we're obviously spraying over the top of that. So might give it a little bit there because it's there you go. I didn't clean them up very good back there, but I think a bit of sandpaper. This is just smooth it over, and I just use the knife for later on. So that's 3 chairs done. Now this bit goes on the bottom of the chair, as you know, but that's not very smooth. So I've got to do a bit of sanding on that, so I'll do that quickly onto here using the coarse one because it's the bottom, and I'm going to do it so it's smooth. I'm not using the coarse side, but I'm just using this. Once I can see that's all smooth, nearly there. Now that should be right now. I have done all the seam lines a little bit. No, there's a bit of a fold there. This is going to be underneath the chair anyway. So right, let's see what we can do. And it's this, the smaller chair, which is this one. So I can hold that bit there and put it underneath and see what it goes on. So, is it that way or this way? Oh, there it goes that way. So that's the way it goes. So we're going to put a bit of glue on here and just go in with this. I can hand paint this all quite nicely with a decent brush anyway, so there you go. There we go that way. There you go. Because I've done the flush, you can see that's flush and it's gone down there nicely. So it had to be nice and smooth to do it, so that's good. So I've done that one. We can actually put that on like that. So that's done. So we've got 2 chairs done now, and that one. Now, what's the next thing? Now, I'm going to get those bits sorted out now. I'm just going to flick over again for this bit. Because now I've got these cleaned up. I did this earlier on. So I'm going to put this in here. But I've got to do some sanding. Right, I'll leave that now. I'm going to have a look into the PE because I know I've got some PE to go on that bit. So, and this has all been cleaned up. That's been cleaned up. And that's been cleaned up there. So we've got quite a few things cleaned up. And as you can see, this is just about putting the wheels together later. So I've got to look at that. So I don't want to rush into that and have a bit of a problem. So that's done. Come over here. We can put the seats in, I suppose. Yeah, we can put some seats in. But I want to check to make sure I haven't got no PE to go in this area as well. So right, here we go then. So that's the end of this one. I might call this an update because we've done a little bit now. And so you can see the progress. Right, thank you very much for watching. And I'll see you in the next update. Happy modelling, stay safe.